Are you ready to witness the future of smartphones? Because the upcoming Google Pixel 10 Pro is not just another phone, it's the kind of device that could change the way we see technology forever. This phone is packed with surprises, and trust me, you'll want to stick around until the very end, because I've got an unexpected twist that only those who watch all the way through will discover. So let's dive in and explore what makes the Pixel 10 Pro the most exciting phone release of the year. First things first, the Google Pixel 10 Pro is powered by the latest Tensor G5 chip, a next-generation processor designed by Google that brings insane performance, smoother multitasking, and lightning-fast AI capabilities. Google has taken artificial intelligence to a whole new level with this phone. From real-time translation that works even offline to AI-driven photo and video editing that makes every moment picture-perfect, the Pixel 10 Pro is built to think smarter and faster than any phone before it. And that's just the beginning. Let's talk about the display, because wow, the Pixel 10 Pro is rumored to feature a stunning 6.9-inch Quad HD plus AMOLED screen with up to 165 Hz refresh rate. That means scrolling, gaming, and even watching movies feels unbelievably smooth, almost like you're looking through a window into another world. Combined with brighter HDR performance and razor-sharp details, this display is going to leave you speechless. But a great phone isn't just about looks, it's also about endurance. The Pixel 10 Pro is set to come with a massive 5,500 mAh battery supported by ultra-fast 120W wired charging and 65W wireless charging. Imagine charging your phone from 0 to 100% in just around 20 minutes. That's mind-blowing. Plus, the new AI-powered adaptive battery ensures your phone learns your habits and saves power where it matters most, so you'll never have to worry about running out of juice halfway through your day. Now, let's get to the part that excites almost everyone, the cameras. The Pixel series is already famous for its incredible photography, but the Pixel 10 Pro takes it to the next level. With a triple lens system featuring a 200MP main sensor, a 64MP ultra-wide, and a 50MP periscope telephoto lens with up to 15x optical zoom, this phone is a dream come true for content creators and photography lovers. The AI integration allows real-time object removal, cinematic video stabilization, and night shots so clear that it feels like daytime. If you thought smartphone cameras couldn't get any better, the Pixel 10 Pro is here to prove you wrong. And here's where things get even more interesting. The Pixel 10 Pro isn't just about features, it's about the experience. The combination of AI, powerful chip, and immersive design makes it feel less like a gadget and more like a personal assistant that understands you better every single day. Now you might be wondering, when can you get your hands on this masterpiece? Rumors suggest Google will officially launch the Pixel 10 Pro in October 2025, right in time for the holiday season, and it's expected to come with a competitive price that will challenge even Samsung and Apple's flagships. But before I reveal one last surprise, let me say this. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And now for the twist I promised. Word has it Google might introduce an exclusive, holographic mode on the Pixel 10 Pro, something no smartphone has ever offered before, giving users a futuristic way to interact with apps and media. Imagine holding a phone that projects a 3D hologram right in front of you. That's the kind of future we're stepping into. So, are you ready for the revolution? Stick with me, because the Google Pixel 10 Pro is just the beginning.